kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter N. To write uppercase N or big N, start at the top and make a line down. Then go back to the top and make a line down to the right. Now make one more line back up to the top. Let's try it again. Down. Down to the right. Up. That's the letter N. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase n or small n. Start in the middle and make a line down. Next, go back up to the middle and around to the bottom. Let's try it again. Down. Up and around to the bottom. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter N. Next, let's see what words start with the letter N. N for nose. N for net. N for neck. Say it again with me. Nose. Net. Neck. Good job. For our next video on how to write the letter O, please subscribe to EllieFun.